Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and in today's video I am doing my first ever chit chat get ready with me, hence the no makeup face or anything. Don't know how this is gonna go because I've never done one of these before. Also, it is raining, so I'm sorry if you can hear the raindrops. I have one of those slanted roofs, therefore a slanted window, and therefore you hear the rain a whole lot louder. So I'm sorry if you can hear that. If not, then yeah, ignore that. Yeah, I actually don't know what type of look I am going for. Almost Christmas, so shall I go Christmassy? What is Christmas makeup? I feel like, okay, let's just start curling my eyelashes. As you can tell, I'm not blessed in the eye department when it comes to makeup, so my eyelashes, can you see them? Can you see them? I'm still looking for them. You know when people complain about their eyelashes, like, have you seen mine? No, you haven't seen mine. That's the whole point. I'm gonna stop complaining now before I actually never get my makeup done at all, so yeah. I'm just going to prime my eyes. I've been using this primer ever since. Do you remember back when this primer was the shit? What palette am I going to use? I don't know. I feel like I always gravitate towards these two palettes. Huda Beauty's Rose Gold Edition palette. It's not the remastered one. It was the one before that. Yep. And the Jacqueline Hill palette. What says Christmassy in eyeshadows? I don't really follow a lot of the makeup stuff anymore, so I'm lost. Since actually towards the end of summer, I've stopped wearing makeup. Not stopped wearing makeup completely, but I used to wear makeup almost every single day. If I had a place to go, I would be wearing makeup and a full face of makeup. Once I start applying my makeup, I usually go too over the top with it, and then I end up doing the whole face and I look a bit too much. So I'm gonna start with this Jaclyn Hill palette. My palette didn't come with shades. I bought it when it was first released, and I think after the first release kind of thing, she started putting in eyeshadow color names, but I don't have eyeshadow color names on mine, so I don't know what ones are what. I will put them in the description below if you actually really care. I don't know if you do, but I'm gonna start with this color, whatever this color is. What do I? Yeah, let's start with this color, wherever this color is. So I feel like on these get ready with me's, it's very like a very talky kind of thing. You can listen to me in the background if you want or not. I don't know. Probably not. So I'm actually using artificial lighting. It is so hard if you live in the UK and you're filming. The sun will go in and out of the clouds, and if you notice throughout probably every single video of mine, the lighting is very inconsistent throughout the entire video. But I do like the whole natural lighting effect because I can't afford a lot of artificial lighting. I've just got one ring light in front of me. Why did I buy a ring light? I don't really know. Not a lot of people watch my videos anyways, but I do enjoy making YouTube videos, so I thought maybe let me just up the production, I guess. Okay, I can't multitask, but I can't talk and do my makeup at the same time. I haven't really started with anything. Be right back. Next, I think I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's the one next to the color I just used. Update on my life. I don't know. I don't really update my life a lot on YouTube. I mean, I do, but I don't in a sense. I do make videos quite often, but I never talk about anything really like personal or anything. So I don't know if you guys really know me. Also, I don't really have a lot of you guys watching me. Update on my life. I'm itchy as hell. My dog just came in the room. Hello. I used a new fabric conditioner. Regret it because ever since then it's been weeks. It literally has been weeks and I'm still itching. I haven't worn a bra in a long... I mean, I wear a bra. I mean, I'm wearing a bralette. It looks like a sports bra actually. But look, can you see? I'm red. I am red. I'm patchy and it is not nice. Let's cover that up, okay? I got a rash all over here and it is not nice. My skin doesn't feel like skin anymore. And I literally suffered. I had so much things to do this morning, but I literally could not because I could not stop itching. I don't really know what I'm really doing. Let's mix this one and this one together. I actually wanted to do a load of Christmas videos, but I'm sorry. Was that a hiccup and a burp? I'm not sure. So I always darken up my looks with the darker eyeshadow, and I think I'm gonna go in with this one. Gonna go in the other corner and just fill it in, and yeah. It's a hard life when you have monolids, so yeah, I feel for your monolid people out there. It is hard life. So next I'm gonna go in with eyeliner. This is actually my favorite eyeliner, and what I love about this, first of all, is drugstore, so therefore it is way cheaper than any high-end things out there. There's that. You got monolids. If you have a tough time with your eyeliner smudging all on your eyelids, if you got oily lids, yeah, I have all of the above. This is great. I like this. Ever since I tried this out, and let me tell you, it has been years. I haven't changed it since. Have not. Every now and then, sometimes I'll try a new eyeliner, but I don't see nothing that has beaten this. Even high-end things out there, I just, yeah, nope. What I actually do is I actually messed up on this side, but anyways, I'm gonna fix it now. So since I have monolids, and for those who don't have monolids, let me inform you on my personal problems. If I look at you normally, which I'm not gonna because my eyeliner is gonna just smudge everywhere. So what I do, this is a little technique for myself and probably not you guys, because you guys probably got different eye shapes than me. I do the outer bit on my eyeliner first, and then I let that dry, and then I'll apply my eyelashes and then do the inner bit. It's a long process. But so another thing that I would do is I would start my eyebrows before applying my eyelashes, because okay, so here's the thing. If I look at you like this is what I'm talking about if I look at you normally. So if I put eyeliner here and then I look at you like this, you can't see the eyeliner, but the eyeliner is underneath my eyelid, if that makes sense, and it's touching my skin, and therefore it'll leave an imprint up here. Yeah, that's my struggle. Also, I do my eyebrows now so I can actually look at my eyebrows like this, because once I put my eyelashes on and I do this, the fold of my eyelid will actually attach to the eyelash glue, and then yeah, that's a sticky situation. Anyway, let's do the eyebrows. I know there's a lot of fallout from the eyeshadow, but I'll wipe that off later. For the eyebrows, this is another thing. Once I find something that's from the drugstore and that works, I'm keeping to it, because I don't really want to buy really high-end items. That's money, and makeup is very expensive. So I feel like since this is a chit chat get ready with me video, I should be talking about something a little bit more than makeup. So what's going on in my life? You know what I've realized actually? You know what? Actually, know what I've just realized? You know what I've realized a while ago? Is that okay, so I recently graduated back in September. Whoop whoop. Anyway, right. I've realized since after graduating, friendships after graduating. I mean, right now I haven't really been talking to a lot of people since graduating, mainly because I'm more of like a in-person kind of person, or if you want to call me, I'll talk, but I don't really message a lot. I just, especially if it's through Facebook, that's one of the messaging things that it's sometimes if you send me a message on that, I might have not even opened it. It's like that Facebook's one of the ones that I just nope. But as I was saying, since graduating, what I've realized is that not a lot of people, but some people, so this is my situation, right? For me, I can cut people off. If you've been a friend for me for a while, then I've realized that you're not a good person, that like it's not a healthy friendship. Bye. Going back to my communication thing though, I can literally go for months without talking to someone, and then if you talk to me again, and then when we talk again, we will pick up from where we have left off. Like a lot of my close friends, but we don't actually talk personally a lot, but when we do meet up, lift up from when like we left off. Wait, what? Lift off from where we left off. We literally, well, what am I saying? I don't need to talk to you a lot, I don't need to message you, but when we do see each other, oh, it is funny, it is a good time, we have a blast. Basically what I'm trying to say is this is like friendships for me. This is how my friendships have been. So back to what I was saying. Essentially, right, so I've realised after uni, I don't know if it's because I don't talk to people that, like, I've been back to Canterbury, which is where my uni was at, and I've visited people and stuff like that. I don't really hit up people and be like, I'm back in Canterbury, because usually when I'm back in Canterbury, I'm also working as well, so I don't want to make my life really busy, you know. Sorry, I got sidetracked. I don't know why I'm actually saying this point to you guys. Anyway, right. So what I feel like, if you are in a competition with your friend, then that is not friendship. I feel like friendship shouldn't be a competition. Once I feel like in a friendship there is competition, that's not a good friendship. To be fair, competition is all good because that's the way the world works. But if you and your friend are constantly competing, you're gonna one-up each other all the time, and then it's not healthy, is it? It's just, you're not gonna appreciate each other. You're not gonna want the best for them because you're gonna want to be the one above them. What I'm trying to say is, if you have success, your friends should be like, oh my god, yeah, success. Yeah, I know, just like that. And if you're a friend of mine and you get some success in your life, I'm gonna be cheering you on. That's what I see as a good friendship. And what I've realized, for people who pop up to you just wondering about where you're up to in life rather than a natural catch up. I mean for me, I'm fine catching up with you and being like, hey girl, what's up? Oh, guess what happened? Guess what happened to Linda? Guess what happened to so and so? Guess what happened to whoever? But if you're just trying to talk to me to one up me, yep, bye bye. I feel like that's how I've always been though, because there have been friendships. I've been friends with people for so long and then I realized you were a bitch and then I go bye. Also, I just want to say thanks to anyone who has stayed this long in this video, because I feel like not many people have, because not many people watch me. So if you have, then I just want to say thanks. So I want to take this time to say thank you. Also, I've applied my eyelashes. I mean, I just put the glue on my eyelashes. These are my favorite eyelashes actually. These are actually from Amazon. I don't know what they're called. I'll leave it in the description below and I'll leave the link in the description below, but they are $2.99 and oh my god, I'm talking so fast, but they're $2.99, so oh my god, £3 for 5 pairs of lashes. That is cheap, because for me eyelashes are expensive and I don't want to be spending so much on because eyelashes can go up to like £30 a lash. Like, you want some nice mink eyelashes, £30. I'm like, no, not £30. You can give it to me as a gift, but I will not spend £30 on the eyelash.
You like to cry that I'm so ruthless, that other people treat you right. With me you win, but really want the truth.
So like I said, going back in with the eyeliner, my eyelash glue is actually black, so for me it just looks like I've got eyeliner already on top, but I'm just going to be evening it out with the eyeliner. So right now I'm taking a food break because I feel like this took way too long and I'm not hungry, but I was just thinking about food. I actually saw this in the background of my viewfinder and I saw it at the back there and I was just like, oh, snacks. So mukbang. This is mochi, in case you guys are wondering what I'm eating. Also, before this video started, I tried lighting up this candle. Never lit this candle before, so by the way, I've had this candle for years. Never lit it before, so I thought, okay, here's the time. Let me light it up. Let me put in the background of my video. And my room's gonna be smelling so nice. It's gonna be smelling like Christmas cookie. And you know what? Can't start a lighter. Realize that. Face makeup, so I know I'm out of focus, but anyways, so moisturizer, I always moisturize my face. Maybe I shouldn't really use that part, that bit's dried up. I haven't used this moisturizer in a while, so I thought I'd use it today. Oh, my skin's looking nice now. Like so I've been using this sponge. It's by the Konjac Sponge company and I actually work for them. This video is not sponsored, by the way. It is good. So I shower at night and I use it when I shower. So I use it at night and then I'll use it in the morning when I wake up, and oh, my skin, the texture of it is looking good. I want to do an updated skincare routine. Do you guys want me to do an updated skincare routine? I don't think you guys care. No one will answer this question, but I'm still putting it out there. I actually used to get a lot of requests since my skin started clearing up. I used to get a lot of requests of a skincare routine. I kind of did a skincare routine in like how I cleared my skin video. I might do a more updated one because I have changed it a little bit. It's kind of like something that I just want to stick to. It's something very simple. I don't want to do a lot to my skin and I don't want to be using like this electronic or whatever, because I see a lot of skincare routine videos and people are using some electronic thing on your face, and for me I feel like that's money. I don't want to be spending that much money on electronic that I'm going to be using for my skin. I actually did get an email for one of the, you know, one of them thingies, I don't know what you call them actually, the thing with the brush and it just like on your face. Is like an electric toothbrush but for your face. I did get an email for like a sponsored video basically to do that, because for things like that I feel like I would use it for like at most a month, and then after that I'd get bored or I'd forget about it, or like I'm like, it's too much to charge this stuff, or it's too much to whatever, or I can't be asked kind of thing. Basically I'm just trying to say I'm lazy. I just never did it, but now I see it in a lot of people's videos and I'm like, it actually looks alright. I want to try it. I want to try it now.
You win, but really what the truth is.
So yeah, I never mentioned, but I'm basically using my everyday foundation. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear, what's it called? The Double Wear Water Fresh Makeup. I want to change up my foundation mainly because this one is not good for oil control and I have a very oily face. So I actually wanted to post a lot of Christmas videos, but I don't know, I actually want to do Vlogmas, that's the thing. I wanted to do Vlogmas. However, I don't think my life is that interesting. Also, uploading for 12 days is a lot of time for, say, me. For someone who isn't full-time YouTube, because I feel like for me, I don't have the reach for me to be spending that amount of time on uploading videos every single day, because I feel like I don't have the reach as a lot of people do. I mean, I do love making YouTube videos, but I feel like I'll be spending too much time, and a lot of my time will be invested in YouTube videos, and I do have like a non-YouTube life to attend. I don't have the reach to make it worthwhile for me, and it is a struggle because I spend like a lot of time making YouTube videos and I feel like no one really watches it. I feel like I put in too much effort for something that no one really watches. Like, I have the subscriber count from the past, but no one's still watching from the past. I don't think anyone remembers who I am anyway. And I think me with uploading videos now is like no one cares. Still make videos regardless of who watches it, because I do enjoy making videos in general, so it's just like I'm not losing any, okay, I'm losing time, but yeah. So what's happening with this channel right now, no idea, because I feel like no one's really watching my videos anymore. Still gonna be uploading because I enjoy this, but yeah, my thoughts on my channel, I don't know. I've been doing YouTube since I was young, and even before this, I had like a channel before this. I've been uploading videos for about, I think, over 5 years now, and yep, still here. In a sense, I feel like YouTube has brought me up a little bit. Like, I watched a lot of YouTube videos when I was younger, back when YouTube wasn't even that big, and it was just like, it was just such like an outsider thing, like, because I was in my room a lot by myself, so sad life, but yeah, and I would just watch a load of YouTube videos, and I didn't have a lot of like Asian people in my school, like Oriental Asian people in my school, so YouTube was like the thing that made me realize like, oh damn, there are more Asians in the world. I don't know, I just felt like I spent a lot of my life on YouTube, and I spent a lot of my time on YouTube, and yeah, so highlighter. Okay, so we have come to the lipstick part. So this is basically the end of the video. I know this has been a long video, but basically I feel like I've talked a lot, but not, because I've got a lot of stories that I could tell, but I haven't said anything. I want to do something like maybe mukbangs or get ready with me's or whatever, and I just want to I have a lot of stories that I could say. Like, if you were my friend, you would know I got a lot of stories about like life, and it's just a lot of things that's happened. Like, a lot of things, like especially being at uni. Oh, a lot. I want to do something whilst I tell you guys these stories. I don't want to just have a sit down story time. I want to be like eating or getting ready or whatever. I want to be like doing something with my life. I know a lot of my friends actually were saying like, do mukbangs because, and just tell stories about what happened to you in uni. But I was just like, okay, so here's the thing. There's a lot of things that happened at uni that I can't say, and I could say it to friends, but I can't say it to the world. I feel like a very festive lip color can transition your look into a festive look. It can just make it very winter. This is the lipstick for me that I feel like says Christmas.
Now you're making me think what you mean to me. I'll be shining you up, but you keep shading me. So if you really think.
So this is it for this festive look. Got a bold lip going on, warm eyeshadow colors, nice highlights going on. This is nice for like Christmas Day. I'm probably gonna do this look on Christmas Day. I feel like this video has been very long. I feel like I should change into something festive, but I'm scared of getting itchy. I'm gonna end this video because this video has been very long. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.